Greetings everyone, Free here. I build and use AI to run my personal life, and on this channel I show you how. Right here on the screen is 15 agents working for me 24/7 on all aspects of my life. So putting you at the center of your life, you have your taxes, your wealth, your health, identity, legal, you name it, AI agents that are all monitoring these different domains and optimizing your life for maximum output. Today I'm going to showcase how to look for and import organizations or companies into Paperclip. My entire tutorial and my entire setup in this demo environment comes with this set of agents, an organization which is pretty robust with the chief of staff, about 15 agents or so, an executive assistant, and access to OpenClaw. But there are other companies that, depending on what you're trying to achieve, you can get out of the box by simply running one command. And the way you're going to do that, the way Paperclip works, is you have a company construct in here. If you go over to companies.sh, this is the registry of reusable companies for AI agents. And you can imagine this is just getting started. In here is a bunch of companies, I think about 18 at the moment of talking. The most popular one is the GSTAC. GSTAC became very popular because of Gary Tan, the CEO. I believe he's the CEO of a company out there in San Francisco. Blanking on the name right now, but he created the GSTAC. If you take a look at this, he created the GSTAC, open source state. It has about 52,000 stars. Or Gary Tan, 52,000 stars on GitHub. So getting very popular. And essentially for engineering teams, this company comes with a set of skills, a set of instructions to run engineering teams the way he does it at his company, which is Y Combinator. For some reason, that was escaping me. Y Combinator. He's the CEO of Y Combinator, and Y Combinator has been very popular. The current CEO of OpenAI obviously was the previous head of Y Combinator, so very reputable in the startup space. Now, if you come into companies.sh, before I go any further, just pay attention to this particular video, because my hope, if everything goes according to plan, would be to package up the entire system I have in here as a company, so you can download that in one click and install that in your environment. So I know there's been a lot of requests on that, and I'm really hoping I could pull that off. I'm working on a couple of things around that, the naming and such as well. So just be aware that that might be coming in the near future. In here, let's say we want this GSTAC just because it's a very popular one. You would come in, copy this command. We can go back into command line, just open up a command line in here, paste that in, and hit enter. It takes a few seconds for this to install. And while that's installing, this particular company comes with a CEO, a CTO, QA engineer, release engineer. So the things that a company at a typical Y Combinator company might want to do. So there is a skill to plan, a canary skill, a codec skill, an investigative skill, a ship skill, and what you need to do, fully automate shipping, remove freezing. So very interesting. Let's go back in here. So this is running new company, and yes, so it says which service you want, Paperclip, how should the company connect to Paperclip Auto, and do you want a new company? Yes, I want a new company. So that is that. Apply this import. Yes, let's go ahead and do an import. So it's verifying what's going to be imported. It's gone to GitHub, clone the GSTAC. Target company name is going to be GSTAC. The agents are going to come in. And this comes with 5 agents, 0 tasks, 27 skills, a CEO, CTO, QA engineer. I know that my audience are not technical, and we're not looking at building companies for that, but just to showcase the power and the promise of Paperclip here. So this came in dark mode. I don't want dark mode. Let's go to light mode. So now I have the old company, which is the one that we've made videos about. This is staying busy. We had some errors in there. But now you have a GSTAC, which is a new company. Now GSTAC interestingly, now I'm in GSTAC. It comes with the plugins. So the plugins are global. So those plugins we installed on the demo company now comes up here in GSTAC. But let's take a look. So GSTAC comes with, I usually like the org chart. It comes with a CEO, a CTO, a QA engineer, and a release engineer. So let's go to the release engineer, look at the instructions. So imagine Gary Tan at Y Combinator taking the knowledge he has for seeing hundreds, if not thousands of companies and what it takes to be a successful company through Y Combinator, packaging that up in a set of skills. And I know this has gotten a lot of press and opinions on this and mix, and people think it's paperware. But the reality is that this is where the industry is going. So here, these are the skills it came with. I didn't create any of these skills. So these skills are all coming. So this is the document release skill, the configuration, the release engineer reports to the CTO. We're using Claude. I can actually switch this. I don't have my Claude right now to codecs if you want. Max runs, budgets, all of those are available. You can see your runs. Obviously, set the budget in here. And let's look at the staff engineer. So a typical staff engineer, what skills investigate will be mounted to the ephemeral cloud skill directory on the next run. And this reports to the CTO, not the CEO. So it reports to the CTO and then the budget. So you can imagine as a startup, and this is why Paperclip initially came up with the name of the zero human company. I think that's what the name was. But to me, I'm more interested in is the you companies putting AI at the center of your life. And that's the angle we talk a lot about. But still interesting to kind of step out a little bit and see how and where folks are taking this. So now you have a company ready to go. If I was building on GSTAC, what I would do now would be to come in and start adding some goals, start adding some issues, and letting the agents go to town and work on that. We've made videos around that. So just thought I would showcase that to you. Let's click on skills. I think skills are also interesting. And I like that Paperclip now gives us the ability to see the skills that came with this. So in here, there was one skill in particular I thought was very illuminating. Plan a CEO review skill. So if you are a startup going through Y Combinator and you're going to be doing a review as a CEO, this skill in theory should help you with that. Talks about proactive. It talks about how to be better. It goes through quite a bit of interesting things. I probably need to spend a little bit more time reading through that. But just imagine all of the knowledge from Gary Tan and the folks at Y Combinator packaged in here. There was one about how to do a review, a retrospective. For some reason, I'm not seeing that for now. There was a skill about that. Oh, office hours. So how to do office hours. This one became popular. And you can click on this particular skill. This is how to do office hours. Always ask questions. Look for completeness. Don't boil the ocean. Don't boil the lake. Search before building. So just interesting. Again, you can build on this or you can build it from scratch yourself. And I think the promise of these skills is now you can have a set of ready-made knowledge to build on and to compound on. Let me go back and let's get one more company. Let's explore the companies in here. Nothing really stands out to me, to be honest. But like I promised, I'm working on a company for life, and I think that would be fascinating. So this one is a complete AI agency with 167 specialized skills across 10 divisions, engineering, and that. And let's actually try this company. So once the company I'm thinking about goes live, it will be this easy for you to get it set up. Because I've had folks ask about wanting to get my exact setup as well, so they can manage their life. So this is running, and with any luck, you can run as many companies as you want, right? So even though I talk about using the AI to run your personal life, doesn't mean that this AI couldn't also be used to. That doesn't mean that the AI couldn't be used to run a side business that you have or something else you have going on. So 167 agents. Can you imagine 167 agents just like that hired for you? All right, so we now have this new agency. What is it called? Agency agents. Interesting. So, uh, oops, where did my company go? Okay, agency agents. All the plugins are there. Wow, wow. What I want to do is take a look at the org chart. That would be an interesting one to take a look at. So let's look at the org chart. Can I see the org chart? It's too dense to see. Hopefully it comes across well on the screen. So I'm looking to see the chief marketing officer. So you have the CEO, programmatic display buyer, PPC strategies, paid social strategies, ad strategies, paid auditor, Ziho's, I don't know what that is, WeChat official account manager, Twitter engager. Let's see the Twitter engager. Wow. So that's quite a bit. Now, one of the things that would be interesting, and I'm sure somebody's going to work on this, is if I have 150, how many agents do we have here? It says 150 something agents in this company. Could I loan or borrow agents to another company? So going back to and I'm going to call this Omega, going back to my Omega company, which is AI for Life. Could I then borrow, say, a Twitter um, agent from the agency agents to support this company and just cross-link that? That would be actually an interesting one to work on. I don't think that feature exists, but I could see where that becomes important. But just like that, we have an entire agent setup. So um, I'm hoping that at some point, if everything goes according to plan, if it doesn't, I'll come back and tell you why. But I'm hoping that at some point you would be able to run one command, just the way I did. npx install, just one command like this, and you'll get access to my entire setup. And with all the agents that come in there, that's really my hope to hopefully help you manage your life. But if you want to support the channel right now, the way this is distributed is through the Vault Pack. And it feels like the Vault Pack might I'll keep this updated for as long as it's relevant, and then maybe move things in there. But still, I would say go get this, support the channel. That means a lot to me. As always, this is Fru. I've shown you how to create multiple companies in Paperclip, but more importantly, to give a sense of the direction of where this is going. If you want, you can always actually export the company too if you have one already, and this will export the file. Or alternatively, if you don't do the route of doing the npx install, you can also come in back to let's go back to my settings. You can always come in and to the org chart and import a company. So those options are available as well. So just thought I'll showcase this and give you an idea. So if I really like this company, you can obviously export all the agents, which is what I plan to do once I have. Now I'm switching over to my own setup here, which is for your personal life. So what I plan to do would be to export this, all the agents that are available, all the images, the org chart. That way you will have access to this to do a one click install on your own environment. But I hope this gives you an idea. Paperclip is, to me, is the future. One agent is great, but having an army of agents working for you is a true promise. And I think we're seeing where this is going. OpenClaw is interesting, one agent, but Paperclip manages a fleet of agents for you. So if you're not learning about Paperclip, I will be learning about it as fast as I can. And hopefully these videos are helping you in that journey. As always, this is Fro. Thank you for watching and sticking to the end. Subscribe if you haven't. Share this with somebody that might get value out of it. I will see you in the next demo.